ᎠᎦmagyar Agasgi no from the Salada Corpus. The word rain in Cherokee shows Cherokee verb structure with 5 stem forms to convey different meanings. The Cherokee verb rain has the same form agasg for present stem and for imperfective stem. The verb rain is intransitive and it has a non-agent subject expressed as it in English. It is raining, and by the a or u third person singular Cherokee, Agasga, it is raining, or Ugahnanv'i, it rained, u. The 5 verb stems of the Cherokee verb are the present stem, which expresses an ongoing situation at the time of speech. The imperfective stem, in bold here because it's very important, expresses an ongoing situation at any time. The immediate stem, which expresses a situation just past or just to happen. And then you see a person marking prefix break with the ZG set of person markers, set A used for 1, 2, and 3, and the agahnan person markers, or set B used for 4 and 5, in many cases, but not all. The perfective stem expresses complete situation at any time, and the infinitive stem expresses a situation that is unconnected to time. Agasg, raining. The imperfective stem used as a noun, agasgi.
Agasgi, ᎠᎦฝู Agasgi, ᎠᎦฝู
The rain. Used as a modifier or adjective, agasgi.
ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Agasgi nolle ᎠᎦዏᎦ ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Agasgi nolle ᎠᎦก๋Ꭶ.
Used as a participle with the -e final.
ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Ugahnanv'i Agasga ᎠᎦဿᎪᎢ.
Participle meaning when it was raining or that it was raining.
ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Ugahnanv'i Agasga ᎠᎦဿᎪᎢ.
Used as a negative participle, in this case with a y-na structure.
ᎠᎦᎪᎢ ᎠᎦ떡ვალ라우스그나이기 야가스그나이기.
Agasgana.
ᎠᎦᎪᎢ ᎠᎦ떡ვალ라우스그나이기 야가스그나이기.
That there was no rain. And an exceptional transitive use in the corpus.
Ugahnanv'i ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Ugahnanv'i.
Ugahnanv'i.
Ugahnanv'i ᎠᎦᎪᎢ Ugahnanv'i.
It rained on them. The immediate stem, Wagana, shows the W before non-second person for immediate future.
Migata Ugahnanv'i Ugahnanv'i Wagana ᎠᎦᎪᎢ.
Let it rain.
Migata Ugahnanv'i Ugahnanv'i Wagana ᎠᎦᎪᎢ.
The perfective stem, used as a participle with the -e final.
Ugahnanv'i
Ugahnanv'i, for drops of rain.
Ugahnanv'i.
Note that the plural is marked on the verb, they splashed him.
Ugahnanv'i